Here we are at the site of the Granville Island in Vancouver. We'll be checking it out later, but I am so excited to be back and traveling again and doing a new travel series. I'm so excited. It's my first big trip since the pandemic. I am in Vancouver right now for a few days with some friends. We'll be checking out the city. Not super touristy stuff. We'll show you more of like the real inside thing. And right here, we have a barge that washed up during a big storm in November, and the plan is to move it, but they can't. So it's kind of an interesting site that's now become like an actual tourist thing. So come along with us. I hope you have a great time. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Make sure to give a like on the video and follow along for the rest of the trip. So in case you're wondering where we are in the west end of Vancouver City, and the plan right now is to walk down to North Van, English Bay.
And then North Van.
English Bay. This is great because I have, I didn't have to look anything up. I'm just following. So we're gonna walk all the way down there and check out the different beaches there are right in the city. How cool is that? This building is reflecting into that one over here. Really cool look. And here we are on North Vancouver. We just took the ferry that you can see right there. So you got the city view of Vancouver itself, where you see there's a huge cruise ship and some big white flags. That's Canada Place. So here we're gonna be looking at little shops, grab a bite to eat, and just enjoy a nice Saturday afternoon. It's the end of the day. It's been a great, amazing day. I'm sure we did our 8,000 steps a few times over. I know we were like at 11,000 earlier.
23,000.
23,000 steps today. So
15 kilometers.
15 kilometers, which I cannot, let's say 11 miles-ish, something like that. Anyways, hope you really enjoyed being with us today, and we're gonna have another fun day in Vancouver tomorrow. So make sure to like this video, hit subscribe if you haven't yet, and always remember to eat and travel outside of your comfort zone. Mwah.